worktop beer bar back cooler. First off, the overall dimensions. Left to right, we have a length of 72 3/4 inches, a depth of 24.5 inches, and height with wheels 41 inches tall. Minus the wheels we have 36 inches tall. Keys provided for each lock, and right, middle, left swing doors, and included are 6 adjustable shelves. Each shelf will measure 19 inches in length by 18 inches in depth. Measurements apply for each of the 6 adjustable shelves. Interior dimensions for the beer cooler, we have 60 inches in length, 18.5 inches in depth, and a height of 30 inches. Coming to the left, we have our temperature control, light switch, along with the power. And located on the right column is the ETL NSF certification. And coming to the back, we have our 110/120 voltage plug. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product. Thank you.